Who doesn't want people to know the truth? For the past 10 years, we, the volunteers of the Creative Society Project, have been studying the climate and gathering information from scientific sources to tell people what's happening to the planet and what each of us needs to do to preserve it and ensure a safe future for our loved ones. We're not scientists, so we don't speak from ourselves. We simply collect scientific research and historical evidence. Independent scientists have provided a climate report on the impact of cosmic influence hitting the Earth's core. This happens cyclically every 12,000 years. We always present graphs and statistics, including evidence that global warming is occurring today from within the planet, not solely due to human activity. However, there are those who aren't interested in people knowing about the climate. We don't know who orders this smear campaign against us, but we see that it's commissioned material. Just look for yourselves. By some coincidence, identical articles written according to one script and clearly by one hand appeared on two websites, one in Lithuania and one in Australia, supposedly fact-checking information in cyberspace, are precisely paid for by one hand. And these articles, posts from volunteers of the Creative Society on social media, as well as information from our conferences and forums, are labeled as fake. We present facts with references to sources, researchers, and scientists' work. And in these articles, there are only conclusions based on the anthropogenic theory of climate change and other information that is by no means proof. Can our data about several countries disappearing within the next 5 years due to catastrophes, meaning their territories becoming uninhabitable, refute the information that the residents of India are adapting to the catastrophes that this country is experiencing today? This argument is presented as a refutation. Does this prove the falsehood of our data? I think those who commissioned these articles are upset that Creative Society volunteers aren't promoting the CO2 theory. Friends, Creative Society consider the anthropogenic factor crucial and influencing the climate, specifically due to the ocean's pollution with micro and nanoplastics and petroleum products. It has lost its primary function to dissipate heat from within, which is especially critical during peak 12,000 year cycles like now. Do you think we're lying that 2023 broke all climate records? Our goal is for the planet and all humanity to survive this cycle, and we sincerely don't understand who is behind these commissioned articles and this smear campaign. Why has there been black PR against Creative Society volunteers for so many years? I know that very soon the world will know whose interests these people are defending, spending huge amounts of money to silence us. People, if truth and a scientific approach matter to you, investigate the facts independently. And if you see that a video on social media has been removed because it didn't pass fact-checking, better double-check it yourself. That way, you'll know the truth for sure.